A lot of us may have been prescribed eye drops before, or probably we have bought eye drops from the pharmacy or the chemical sellers before. How did you use it? Did you use it the right way? Join me this few minutes as we learn how to use eye drops properly. The first thing you should look at is to confirm if you are using the right eye drop. Sometimes we mistaken the eye drop, so make sure the eye drop you are using is what has been prescribed for you. Then you open the eye drop. Always check the seal to make sure it is sealed. If the seal is broken, please don't use it. So always make sure it's a new eye drop you are using. If it's something that's been prescribed, or if that's the first time you are going to use it, make sure it's new and it hasn't been opened. Or if it was open, it should be open in your presence. Then afterwards, remove the cap. If you are going to drop it by yourself or on your own eyes, please find a screen. Make sure your hands are clean. That's the most important, because you don't want to infect your eyes with any other bacteria. So first, you can wash your hands with soap or use hand sanitizer. Then you open the cap. If you can open it this way. You put it here, then you open it. Then use the other hands in helping you to drop it. Or put the cap on a clean surface or on a tissue, so that you don't also contaminate the cap that you are going to use. After you are done with the opening, make sure the drop is flowing. This one, some of the eye drops, you will have to shake it before opening. So I'm screwing it back. You shake it before you open it. Afterwards, you use your free hand to pull your lower lid this way to form a pocket down there. Some of us, we just drop it. No, pull the lower lid down, look at the ceiling and drop it. Let's take note that the tip of the bottle should not touch anything, not your hand, not your eyelids, not the lashes, nothing. So if you want to drop it properly, you can put the hand with the bottle on the other hand like this. Then you look at the ceiling and you drop it in the pocket. Whoa. Afterwards, if you can clean it fine, or you just look at it and you cover it this way. Then you get a tissue and you clean the excesses. If you can also press the inner part for some few seconds to allow the drop to be absorbed. Then you are done. Or if you think your hands will be shaking, lie on your bed, then look at the ceiling and go through the same process. Pull the lower lid and drop it. Make sure the tip does not touch anything. If not, it will be contaminated. Another way you can also use it is, as you are lying down looking at the ceiling, you can put your hand, rest your hand on your nose bridge like this, then you drop it. You can either close your eye or open it. Once you are able to drop it, it will enter your eye. Then you close your eye, cover it and clean the excesses. One thing we also have to take note is, if we are to use multiple drops, some of us may have 2 or 3 drops to use. Use one, then wait for about 5 minutes before you drop the other one. If not, it will just be wasted. There is a drainage system in the eye. It will just flow through it and go away. So you wait for 5 minutes before you drop it. Also, you'd always have to check that the bottle that you are using is clean. You can check. Some of us, after using it for the first day, it's all clean and all that, but afterwards we keep it anyhow, anywhere they found it, whether in their pocket, their bags, their drawers, anywhere. Please make sure you are keeping it well to avoid contamination. And some people, you can keep it for like over a week before you go and look for it again and use it. Please, it doesn't help. If you pick it and you see dirt all around it, please do not use it, because you can contaminate your eye. Let's take note of this. And once you open an eye drop, yeah, it's supposed to remain open. You can use it for about 4 weeks. Afterwards, don't use it again. Some of us, you can keep it like 2-3 months. Anytime we have an eye problem, we just go and search through our bags and pick it. No, that is not how to use an eye drop. We should always remember that how we use the eye drop will determine how effective it will be in solving whatever problem we intend using it for. So we should always make sure that we are using our eye drops in the right way. If you have any question or you have any suggestions for us, please leave them in the comment section and we will be happy to hear from you. If you are an organization or an institution that you want us to come and help screen your members, we'll be happy to also help you with that. If you need any help concerning eye care, please contact us and we'll be glad to help you. Again, don't forget to like, comment and share our videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do so. If you are in or around Accra, you can contact M&D Medical Center for all your eye care needs. Thank you.